This is the life of having a content creator mama. Yeah, we out here in these streets, these cold streets. We finna go to H&M on somebody. Come on, baby. Hey, y'all, it's cold, but we out here shopping. Me and my babies. Woo. Oh, I smell some food. That's what I smell, babies. Some food. We finna go to H&M. Then we going in the Old Navy. Then we gonna take us by the decorations. It's so pretty over here. We at Bayshore Mall. Oh, they got a sale. Yes. That is so cute, baby. Oh my God, I got to get comfortable. It is so beautiful up in here. Oh, look at the shoes. Look, Andres, the same shoes y'all laughed at me about. My kitten heels. Remember my gray ones, my green ones? I don't remember. Lime green. Why would you have lime green? Girl, lime green was in back in the day. Oh. I'm so sick of them, y'all. First of all, they talking about me because I had lime green kitten heels. Look, my shoes was
the worst. That's the worst shade of green ever. Lime. Neon.
Okay, let's go look at some clothes. Where's my size? My thick old size. That's what the people getting though. Right. Where thick size at? That's where the thick and gorgeous. Ooh, this was Chelsea had on. Hey Chelsea girl, I see your sweater, girl. Ooh, this one too. She bought this one too. This is really cute. I like this. That's not bad. That's cute. Andrews, you know where we going tomorrow too? I want to get me a pair of jeans. American Eagle or wherever you see it. Ain't it? That's what it is?
Yeah.
Andrews, you see that coat right there? Everybody buying these coats. That coat over there.
That fur?
On that wall.
Yeah, I like that.
All right, y'all. Oh, that's cute. Oh, he looks so cute in there. You better know it. That is cute. You know, Glenda gave us one of them Russian hats. What? It's in the bag. You know, the whole fur head.
Really?
Yeah, it's in the bag. It's brown. Please don't make me. Please don't make me go off on nobody about my child. I don't want to hurt nobody. They tried to hit my baby. It's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be some furniture moving around here. Look at this coat.
I want to keep it that way.
Oh my God!
And I
freaking love this. Excuse me.
That's how she acts. Literally, that's how she acts.
How much is this? Can y'all?
I'm not gonna be the one to make it.
Come look at my eyes. Look for my eyes, child. You know I can't see.
What you looking for?
Look, y'all, they got wicked charm here in Bayshore. It's so pretty out here. Oh, look up in the what's the name? Look in the window. That is so cool. Hey, you better get it. Look, y'all. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Da 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 da. That's all I know. Da 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 da. Wait, come take some pictures.
So cute.
It's so pretty out here, y'all. Look at it.
So cute.
Here, come get me.
Mom, please. What is this noise?
Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey. You made it home. I wanted to show you the little stuff I got for today for dinner. I'm gonna cook it tomorrow after I get back from the store. For crescent sheets. I'm gonna use these for some little treats. I got some cornbread mix. I don't feel like making it from scratch. I got some bacon for my cabbage. And I also got 2 packs of legs and a bag of thighs. And I got a big pack of sausages. Let's see. And I got my grandson this, and these darn kids done messed my baby. Look at my baby cake. Done messed my poor baby cake up. Look at the eye. Okay, we've been to Old Navy and H&M. We didn't go to Target. I was tired. So from H&M, I got these Christmas socks for $4. And I got these. These are so cute. They were $2, guys. These were $2. Little teardrops. I got the gold ones too. Let me show y'all. I got the gold ones too for $2. And I also got a silver necklace to go with it. Can y'all see that? It's so cute. I got that, and I got a gold one. So I got the silver and gold earrings. Alright, now that's all I got from H&M. And I got these from Old Navy. Listen, I needed me some long shirts, and they were all $5. So I got this pink one. I got the army green. I got gray. I got black. Yeah, I got them all, girl. I'm telling y'all. I got black. And I got the light blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got this color. So yeah, I got 6 shirts, $5 each. Long sleeve. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. And y'all, look what finally came. I'm so mad at this crap. Look what finally came, y'all. I've been waiting on this. Like, are you kidding me? I'm not gonna even add them. Because it's been, at this point, Christmas is almost here. And child, they red as all get. Look at this. You know what? Look at this mess. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I will get y'all back tomorrow. I'm tired. I done been out in these streets shopping, me and the girl. I had to work. Y'all, they done messed my baby cake up.
That was you driving and messed it up.
Why wasn't it flat?
I thought it was flat.
Look at the side. Look on the side.
Mommy, he gonna be okay. We just gonna scrape it off and then put it back on there.
Do y'all hear this?
You're not gonna even know.
Ooh.